In today's video, I'm going to teach you the simple steps to open a Wise account. Whether you're new to Wise or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through it, so let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open the Wise application or visit their website. Once you're there, locate the option to select your email. Choosing the right email address is crucial as it's where all your communication and verification codes will be sent. So pick the one you check regularly to ensure you never miss an update. After selecting your email, it's time to choose the type of account you wish to open. For today's purposes, we're going to click on Personal Account. If you're setting up an account for your business, keep in mind that the process might differ slightly, so ensure you select the right option for your needs. Once you've chosen Personal Account, you'll be prompted to select your country. In this case, you'll be clicking on UK country, assuming you're situated there, or wish to operate your account primarily in the UK. Selecting the correct country is important as it determines the local currency and specific features available to you through Wise. Click Continue to move on to the next step. At this juncture, you'll be required to enter your mobile number. Enter it carefully, ensuring that there are no mistakes as this is where your verification code will be sent. It's an essential part of the security process, so double-check the number before confirming. Once your number is entered, you'll see the option Send Verification Code. When you click this, a code will be sent to the mobile number you just provided. This is another layer of security to verify that it's indeed you who is setting up the account. You should receive a text message containing the code. Enter this code in the field provided and you'll be on your way to the next step. This process ensures that your account is linked to a valid phone number, adding an extra layer of security to your transactions. Now, with the verification code successfully entered, follow the prompt on your screen. This could include some additional security questions or further personalization options, so take your time with these. You're almost there. Continue to follow the on-screen instructions until you reach the point where you'll be allowed to create a password. Choose a strong and unique password. A combination of letters, numbers, and special characters is usually recommended to keep your account secure. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Wise account. It's ready for you to start using for all your transactions with confidence, knowing your account is well protected and personalized to your preferences. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful in getting you started with Wise. Thanks for watching and happy transacting.